How to change wheels in Beach Buggy Racing 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you want to change the wheels in Beach Buggy Racing 2, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open the Beach Buggy Racing 2 game on your device, and once you're inside this homepage, go to the upper left and tap on Body Shop. Once you do that, you'll open up this Custom Design tab where you'll need to click on Wheels. Under Wheels, you can change your front wheel, rear wheel, and brake color. Just go ahead and select front wheels first and select your wheel from the menu. You'll need to spend coins in order to change your wheels, so make sure you have enough. The price for the wheels starts from 400 coins, so if you have got 400 coins, simply select it. Now go to the rear wheel option from the top and select your rear wheel as well. And once done, you can get back and tap on the purchase button. If you've got enough coins, you'll be able to purchase by tapping purchase in green. So that is how you can easily change your wheels or purchase a new wheel in Beach Buggy Racing 2. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.